Space is silent, or so we thought. Beyond the stars lies a terrifying symphony. Echoes of ancient collisions, the hum of black holes, and the eerie whispers of dying stars. What you're about to hear isn't science fiction. It's real sound, captured and translated by NASA and scientists across the world. These are the haunting voices of the universe, and once you hear them, you'll never forget them. At the heart of a distant galaxy lies a monster, invisible, yet unimaginably powerful. A black hole. You can't see it, but what surrounds it tells the story. Gas, light, even time itself, twisted into a spiral of doom. Scientists have translated the pressure waves it sends through space into sound. What you hear now is the voice of a black hole. Floating 1,000 light years from Earth, the Vela Pulsar spins like a cosmic lighthouse, 11 times every second. It's not just fast, it's relentless. This is no ordinary star. It's the collapsed core of a massive supernova, compressed into a ball just 12 miles wide, smaller than a city, but denser than anything you can imagine. Every rotation, it beams radio waves into space, and when scientists captured and converted those waves into sound, this is what they heard. It all began with silence, then an explosion like no other. 13.8 billion years ago, the universe was born in a flash of unimaginable energy, the Big Bang. There were no stars, no galaxies, just raw chaos, expanding and cooling, forming the seeds of everything. But what did that birth sound like? Scientists at NASA converted the ancient echoes of that event into sound. It's a deep, rising hum, stretching across time itself. It's distant, distorted, and yet strangely familiar. Beyond the planets, beyond the solar system, lies interstellar space, a vast, cold silence between the stars. But silence doesn't mean empty. The Voyager 1 spacecraft, now over 14 billion miles from Earth, recorded strange plasma waves as it crossed into this cosmic void. Those waves, when translated into sound, create something haunting. If you were out here, this might be the last sound you'd ever hear. Two dead stars, spinning, shrinking, pulling each other closer with unstoppable gravity. These aren't just any stars, they're neutron stars, the collapsed hearts of supernovae. Each one, denser than a mountain compressed into a teaspoon. And when they collide, the universe listens. In 2017, scientists heard this sound for the first time. The chirp of two neutron stars colliding 130 million light years away. You're hearing the sound of destruction and creation. The universe isn't silent. It hums, it rumbles, it screams, and frequencies we're just beginning to understand. From the birth of black holes to the echoes of neutron stars, these are the whispers of the cosmos. If these sounds sent chills down your spine, imagine what else is out there waiting to be heard. Subscribe to Beyond Infinity for more journeys into the unknown, and let space speak to you. Hit like, share with fellow explorers, and I'll see you in the next chapter of the cosmos.